Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can make this app from code.org. It is an app from White Hat Junior. I have used a background music here which I'll be explaining about it later part when I tell you the code. So basically here we have a first screen like this. This was optional. This one was optional too, but I really wanted to make something like this. And here we go. There are bubbles and each one has something written. For example, if I click on this.
What is the time? Excuse me, I need help. May I know your name?
So that's how it works. Now I'm going to show you guys the entire coding for this. It's a really easy code with 3 screens, and this is all. We have a 43 lines code and something very easy, okay? Now here we have it. There are only 2 screens. Now you must be wondering how there should be 3 screens supposedly. Like for example, this is the first, the second, and right after this the third, right? But that's not how it works. I used 2 things in one screen. So I'll tell you guys how to do this starting with the design. So I'll click on Remix. I just need to sign in with my account and then I'll show you guys the entire design. So let's quickly sign in. So here we are. I have signed in and now we're going to jump to the design. Very simple design for the first screen. I have used an image over here for the background and a label here and a button here. So nothing very difficult. Now we go to main app screen, which is the most important part. So here I have an image which is above everything else, and below this image I have different buttons and all. So for now what I'm going to do is just take this image and minimize this. Yeah, so I'm just gonna remove this from this main screen right now, and this is what you can see: a hello button, what is the time, excuse me, I need help. So how did I do that? Basically it is very easy. So first of all, I got this one here. This one is like some bubbles rising up for the first screen, and it's really essential and it looks very beautiful. So going over here, after this, there is a default time set. After this, these are buttons, and buttons with a different background color. Yes, I've just changed the background color, and these are not buttons, images. So this is just for making it look more natural.
May I know your name?
Okay, now going to the data part. I'm sorry, the code part. The first screen is nothing much. We only have to start with playing this sound. I downloaded a sound, MP3 sound. It's from a website. I'll tell you about it right now. But first, let's see the code. So here we have a var x equals to 0. So when button 14 is clicked, so this is button 14. Function is set screen to main app screen. And now this is time loop 1000, x equals to x plus 1. So if x equals to 4, now what I could do here is simply put the time loop to 4000 and do it. But I didn't do it because I had to make sure to use a different type of coding while using the variables. So this is the second choice. You can always do this too. Now going down, we have an if loop and a stop timed loop. Okay, and here we're going to show all of our elements, all of those little bubbles, and the big bubble, we're going to hide it right here. Okay, and it is when the hello button is played, click the hello mp3. So what I did was downloaded all of my mp3 files and then I used it here. Now talking about how to export mp3 files from the internet, it's really easy and I'll tell you guys a website for this. Previously known as MP3 Quack, it's now been changed to MP3 Mew. It used to be MP3 Quack, and now it's been changed, but that's not the problem. It's just the same website. So I've mentioned this pretty many of times before too in my other videos. Now let's search for anything. For example, I want bubbles. click here, and there we go. So first you can play the music, and this is basically the extracted file from YouTube. Many times whenever you click anywhere, some weird links might come up, but that's not a problem. You just need to close them and then click on download mp3, and there we go. You can click on install, and that's it. So we get it there, and after clicking on download mp3, we can find everything we need. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day. I'll see you in the next video.